Hello my YouTube friends. Today I will show you how we started our herb garden and tell you a little bit about herbs I grow here. Welcome to my herb garden. Before we started to create our herb garden, it was just dirt and grass. The first ditch is digged and one needs to stop, think and plant further before to continue. The retaining wall is erected and the soil is transferred here by the tractors and evened. So it's ready for planting. The first plants are planted and the paths are being created. This is how it looked last spring, and it's ready for more annual and perennial herbs. Let's take a closer look at some of my herbs. It was lavender before, hyssop, Mexican tarragon, bergamot, and basil. Beautiful basil. This is my herb garden in the fall of 2020. Basil, flowers of pineapple sage, red flowers, gorgeous. In my central bed, Mexican tarragon with yellow flowers. It's different from French tarragon. I have both. Fennel, thymes, and again pineapple sage. In a foggy morning through a spider web. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.